My dear all students and respected guardians and honorable audience, today I would like to talk about the drill method, a very effective learning technique. The drill method involves repeating a task, a set of information again and again until it becomes easy and natural. This method is especially useful for language learning. For example, in English, repeating sentence structures or vocabulary regularly helps students speak fluently and confidently. One of the best parts of the drill method is that it helps us learn a large topic in a short time by practicing them repeatedly. It saves time, increases confidence, and builds strong memory. One of the greatest benefits of the drill method is that once you learn something through it, you rarely forget it. It stays in your memory for a lifetime. That's because constant repetition makes the information permanent in our brain. As a result, students don't need to learn the same thing again and again in every class. It saves time and builds long-term understanding. In conclusion, the drill method not only makes learning faster and more efficient, but also ensures that the information is retained for a whole life. It's a powerful tool for both students and professionals alike. Thank you.